ito.
Anyway,
This one's quite interesting.
go.
Like, how did we come up with this podcasting? Like, alam ko may kanya-kanya tayong reasons or kanya-kanya motivations. Kaya na-push natin na-push natin ng isa't isa na nagawin tong podcast. Like, there's a lot
Mhm.
of chances way back. Lalo nung early lockdown pa lang that we could have done this. Pero, why now? Why not earlier or why not later yung mga ganun. So, ayun, usual roll call sa'yo ba, Sean? Ano ba yung parang, kahit yung personal reason mo bakit na push yung podcast, like what's the contribution per se, parang ganun.
For context, sa viewers, I feel like I was the primary one that pushed the idea of a
Mm.
podcast. And reason for that, like I thought to myself, like I'm already doing some streaming and stuff. I want to make content with everybody in my life that matters to me. So I want to do I'm planning to do like a vlog with my girlfriend, for example. I'm planning to stream with friends,
Dutch,
and I
alam na.
wanted to do something with you guys as well. So and I felt like a podcast would be something interesting to explore.
Mm.
Like that was my main reason. I just wanted to do a lot of content, and I wanted to do it with people that matter to me. That's it.
Pretty beautiful. How about you, Dutch? That was fucking beautiful, by the
Um,
way.
Yeah.
what more can I add?
I mean, pretty
Hindi
much the
sa
same.
akin, since andyan naman na yung idea, I just went with it kasi gusto ko rin naman kayo maka-bond. I just see this as bonding with you guys. So yeah, go lang. And siguro makakatulong din sa akin yun dahil alam niyo naman na medyo addict ako sa pagtatrabaho. So if I know that there's
Hashtag
something
OT
else
pa.
to do, especially with you guys, yeah, 'di ba? Yun, parang encourages me to do something else.
Mhm.
Ayun
Which
lang.
is good. Which is great,
Really
actually.
good.
Yes.
Another beautiful reason. How about you, Sarah?
Ice cream.
Ice queen?
Sa akin, ice cream.
Ice queen.
Well, I miss din yung mga parang late nights natin that we can't really do anymore.
Yeah.
So, I'm really into this idea of talking with you guys, especially since parang we went on our own ways na rin. So, ayoko naman na parang mag-drip apart na lang tayo. And
Oo,
it's
totoo.
kind of similar to catching up, parang
Mm-mm.
ganun. Like, we used to talk about random stuff all the time sa office, ganun. So, I think this is a way to do that again.
It is, yeah.
Ayun.
It's, uh, it's part of my reason then. Why?
Oo.
Yun.
Just
Perfectly
doing this.
splendid.
Splenda. Ay, mali. Di tayo sponsored nun.
Splenda.
Pa-sponsor daw.
So, ayun lang.
In short, I love you guys. That's why we're doing this.
Kilig.
Oh.
I love you too.
Yeah.
Ito
Well-
isa sa mga tahimik. Sa'yo, Will. Wala, pinilit lang nila ako.
Sino tahimik?
Slavery.
Sabi po nila, ay, hindi, mali.
Wala po.
Sabi nila,
Sabi po nila.
Sabi nila, luhod, tapos binaba niya yung... Hindi, joke lang, ikaw.
Ginapos ho nila ako eh.
I invoke my right to
Self-discrimination,
not say
char.
anything.
Self-discrimination.
Kaya ano lang, simple na naman. I don't dream now as of being a content creator like you guys. So, I see this pod as something na, honestly, just to, for a chance to bond with you guys and just a good time. That's it. To be honest. Nothing cheesy about it.
But it is.
Just go with the flow.
Pero yeah.
Ayun lang.
I'm seeing a pattern here which is again
Yeah.
which nandun pa rin yung comment ko mula nung kay Sean pa lang. It's fucking beautiful. Pero yun, next would be si Pau.
Yeah, simple. Why not? If it's something new, if it's walang yun, go for it, again, why not?
Exactly.
And also, to add to that, motivation after you look, after like meron kang body you look forward. So aside
Mm-hmm.
from other, this podcast could also be like one thing to be motivated about. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Fucking beautiful. Anything else? Like, yun na yun? Medyo
So,
nagka-choppy kasi, sorry.
lang, napansin ko lang, for everyone, yung, yung basic na reason is, I miss you guys.
Yeah, ganun
Isn't that
nga.
it?
Yun nga
Yes.
rin
Yeah.
yung ano yun sa akin eh. Like, ganun din, parang pretty much, parang halo-halo na lang. Ay, nga, pinaghalo-halo na nga lang na ang naging bottom line niya is yung sa bonding. Well, like, I think parang unspoken na siya na alam na natin lahat na bonding lang talaga. At yun yung parang main reason. Kasi nga, for context sa mga potential listeners nga is, um, dati kang lahat dati kaming lahat na sa isang office lang ngayon magkakaibang office na like may tatlo pa sa amin na sa isang office pero we don't know what will happen in the future pero regardless ang bottom line niya nga is yung keeping up the relationship going na lang and again it's
Yeah.
beautiful and siguro
Oh,
yung sa
baby shit.
good shit cheesy shit pero yun
Should get.
should get. Pero yun, siguro to add more lang din sa motivation. Dati kasi kahit nagustuhin ko, kahit nung nung di ko pa kayo kilala, matagal ko na talagang iniisip to eh. Hindi ko lang ma-suggest kasi on my end, parang ano ba yung limitation. Una-una yung hardware and software. Like, ano ba yung pang-record, sa anong platform ba yung gagamitin. Hanggang sa parang nag-improve na tayo ng kanya-kanyang gear natin and out of nowhere, yung PS4 conveniently adds a voice chat dun sa application nila na kailan ko lang nalaman dahil sa inyo, which is a really convenient feature. Dati kasi wala talagang voice chat through mobile eh, talagang purely sa console lang. So, um, for context din eh, ang first option would be Discord and parang pinush ko na lang yung PlayStation application kasi napansin ko mas stable siya, I think. I think pwedeng may magsabi na mas okay pa ng Discord pero since ito na yung ginagamit natin, sige push na rin natin. Parang ganun. And yeah, again, it's really beautiful lang na halos pare-pares tayo ng reason. Talagang we just miss each other.